Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I am a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I am here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. TePe Compact Tuft is a single tuft brush with a dome-shaped brush head for precision cleaning. This brush works well for implants, attachments for overdentures, fixed braces, along the gum line, emerging or partially erupted teeth, misaligned teeth, and removing surface stain. Due to its versatility, instructions for using the Compact Tuft specialty brush will be unique to your situation. I will give some tips for common situations. When using along the gum line, hold the brush tip at a 45-degree angle towards the gum line, moving the tip gently back and forth. When using on the top of the tooth, hold the brush tip at a 90-degree angle towards the biting surface of the tooth. Move the brush tip gently with small, circular movements. This will clean the grooves and help prevent cavities. When cleaning around orthodontic appliances, implants, or attachments for overdentures, use minimal pressure to flare the bristles outward, moving in a back and forth motion. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.